Today, I'm presenting a humane, homemade net trap specifically designed for corvids like crows and magpies. The trap is non-lethal. The bird is safely captured and can be released unharmed within seconds. The core of the trap consists of a tilting platform and a simplified version of my snake trigger. Imagine a seesaw. One end is raised with a thin pole wire attached to it and a counterweight at the other end. When a bird hops onto the raised end, its weight tilts the raised end of the seesaw downwards. This movement pulls on the thin steel wire connected to the snake trigger. Pulling the wire activates the trigger, and the net falls directly onto the bird. If you decide to build this trap, please be sure to observe local wildlife conservation regulations and prioritize the bird's welfare. I hope this demonstration inspires responsible and humane treatment of corvids. Subscribe to the channel for more trapping projects, and don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video.